Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make chicken cheese crepes. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I've taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. With that, I'm adding ginger garlic paste and I'm going to let it fry for a few minutes. With that, I'm gonna take some of the material like the chicken. I've taken 1 cup of boneless chicken and we're going to let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes until it turns out to be white in color and tender as well. So with that, I'm gonna add some onions. I've taken some onions. I've taken a large onion. I've chopped it. With that, I'm taking capsicum 1.5 cup, gajar, you can say carrot 1.5 cup as well, and tomato, 1 chopped tomato. With that, I'm adding red chili flakes and some salt according to your taste. With that, I'm taking turmeric powder, cumin seed powder, soya sauce, and vinegar, 1 teaspoon. With that, I'm adding chili sauce as well. We're going to mix all these ingredients quite well and let the vegetables to get a little bit of tender. Now, after that, mixing it for like 4 to 5 minutes, we're going to move towards the next process. We have to mix it gradually so that it does not stick to the pan, and we're going to let it cover for 3 to 4 minutes so that the vegetables are tender. Now we're going to mix it again with the help of a wooden spoon. As far as I'm using a non-stick pan, we have to use a plastic or a wooden spoon onto it. I'm taking 1 egg and I'm going to beat it with the help of a beater quite well. So once I'm going to beat it, then we're going to move towards the next process. I'm adding milk 1.5 cup and I'm adding raw milk. With that, I'm taking water 1/4 cup and salt. You can add it according to your taste and mix all these ingredients quite well with the help of beater. So I'm going to beat it. Once all these are mixed well, then we're going to add all-purpose flour about 1.5 cup, and then again we are going to mix it quite well, and we are going to add it gradually. We are not going to put it once at once, so add it gradually and then mix it. So you can see it turns out to be really smooth. Now I'm going to add oil about 2 tablespoons, and again I'm going to beat it, or you can say whisk it with the help of a beater or whisk. So moving towards the next part, I've taken a pan. I have prepared the batter. I am taking 1/3 cup of batter and placing it on the pan and spreading it quite well so that it turns out it takes a form of roti or chapati, or you can say tortilla wrap. So this is, you can see this has turned out to be the shape of roti. So just follow the same process like I am doing it in this video. Just follow it up. I have taken a spatula and I am taking the roti out of the pan so that it does not stick it. Now I'm going to flip it, and then we're going to grease it the other side with some oil and again flip it. So you can see it has turned out to be golden brown. Once it's really baked or it's really cooked, then we're gonna take it out into a plate. With that, I'm adding some of pizza sauce onto it, adding mozzarella cheese, the filling we have prepared before. With that, again mozzarella cheese, and fold it. And take a brush and apply some batter to stick this roti or this wrap. Now you can see I'm folding it out. I folded it completely, and then we are going to fry it onto a frying pan, or you can say a pan. I've greased it with some oil and we're going to give it heated or cook it for a few minutes from each side. Now once it's done, we can see both sides have turned out to be golden brown. It's ready to be eaten. Present it in a presentable plate and eat it. So do try this recipe at home and do like this video and share it with your friends and your family. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye.